I'm going to give a quick tutorial on having a caption that is hyperlinked to the image, and here's the image here. This is your heading with your information, and this is the header with the page number, and this is your title. So after you type in your caption, and I'm going to call this horrifying, more horrifying, you do a copy, and then what you want to do is go to the link where the picture is, and it's right here on Board Panda. You do a copy, go back to your, and this is highlighted, then you're going to go to Insert and Hyperlink over here, and then you paste in the address and click OK. Then if it's underlined, this means it is hyperlinked, and you can see it's hyperlinked to that boardpanda.com site. And that's all there is to doing a caption that is hyperlinked to the image.